Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to hack a plasma scope. This is a great way to demonstrate the difference between insulators and conductors. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation are a couple of plasma scopes, some scotch tape, aluminum foil, and a silver dollar. The first step is to take your aluminum foil and to fold it into a square that you can tape to the top of your plasma scope. So a square that's about 2 inches by 2 inches is just right. Now take your tape and attach the square of aluminum foil to the top of your plasma scope. So it's taped right to the top of it, and then kind of crumple the aluminum foil down so it's nice and flush with the glass. Now we know that the glass is an insulator, just like rubber, plastic, or wood. It's gonna stop the flow of electricity. And we know that my hand is a good conductor, so if I touch it, you can see that that plasma is attracted to my fingertips. But it's also attracted to the aluminum foil on the top. And if I use a conductor like this coin that has an edge of copper, you can see the copper inside the silver dollar. We know copper is a great conductor. And if I just gently touch the top, you can see plasma go right through the glass and it conducts to the coin. Look at that. And it's not a strong enough charge for me to actually feel it. So I don't feel like this presents any kind of danger. I don't even feel a shock. But it is visually stimulating and is a great way to demonstrate the difference between an insulator and a conductor. Look at that plasma right through the glass. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing it. That's good, Christian. All right, Christian, look at me. You are hacking the plasma scope. Good job. All right, keep doing it. I want to get another close-up. Yeah, that's it. I can see it. You're drawing plasma right through the glass. Check that out. That is awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.